Welcome back, traders. Trading the US dollar JPY. All right, here's the current time on the time marker here, the white dotted line, and it's about 3:25 New York time. All right, here's the market. I'm not taking any trades in here because that's the chop, that's the up and down movement. I'm going to take a trade here at 10 minutes after 12 a.m. in the morning, right here. This is going to be my trade. And also, I could probably take an entry right here that looks like about 3 a.m. in the morning. Look at the huge breakout with the HPC lines. We're up going up. And we're looking like a big, huge trend here. So I'm going to be taking this trade tonight. And any signals on the buy signal, if it's in an uptrend, we'll be taking them here. Any kind of pullback, if it's in an uptrend, I'll be taking them here as well. All right, traders, so that's the one trade, dollar yen. I'll give you an example how these histograms work, which was one of the trade examples from last week. Okay, traders, so I will update you with that video. Welcome back, traders. Trading the US dollar JPY. All right, we're waiting for the big, it looks like it's going to be a big run up on this JPY pair and a huge histogram here up till 22.35. Welcome back, traders. Trading the US dollar JPY. I'm going to take a buy trade on this 5:42 p.m. We got a big, huge run up on a histogram here. 22.35. That's 10:35. We'll look to exit the trade to take a short. All right, traders, here we go.
Order filled.
All right, I'm going to pull that stop loss in. And we're going to put it below take profit 5. So this one's going to be a little larger stop loss here. Welcome back, traders. Trading the US dollar JPY. Right now, the time cycle marker is going to be coming in any moment. Probably like another 5 minutes, or now it should be coming in right after this candle closes. There we go. Time cycle marker up against resistance. Excuse me, trade. I'm going to close my position.
Order filled.
Okay, you can see the run up we had here. We got about 37 pips on that move. So, welcome back, traders. Trading the Great British Pound US dollar. This is the moves I see. This is Tuesday going into like Wednesday of this week. Like these trades here, this is the current market. This is Sunday. It's before the market opens. It's like 3:53 New York Standard Time. The pound looked like it took a huge drop before the market even opened. So I could see it on my trading platform. It looks like it took a hard dip down. So it's like way down. So the open's going to be down. So I guess if I'm going to even take any like trades off the histogram, I'm going to be taking only short trades. But the only trade I really see that looks, promising is going to be on Tuesday at 9:20 a.m. in the morning, and the New York session looks like a pretty hard down move here until 13:50 until here, and we're going to be, starting to go back up. Now we also could be going up, somewhat back into the sell move right here at 10:45 after the down move, and it looks like it's trying to trend back up, but any movement up, will be, honored by probably a short, probably be shorting, but it looks like it's trying to retrace back up here. But I see a nice down move on Tuesday, so I'll probably be taking this trade right here. All right, so I'll show you an example of one of the time cycle markers that I traded last week that worked out, because I pick and choose my trades, with the pound pairs, and also I traded the pound Aussie with my automated system ATR bar call with the Uniread codes using the power zone and only taking shorts in that direction when the currency pair got up to like a peak, I would turn on the auto trader and let it just take shorts, and it worked out awesome. So the power zone works with any system, to try to get those precise entries. All right, I'll give you an update on an example. I'm trying to keep these videos short. All right, traders, I'm out. Here's the video. Oops.
Order filled.
So let's see. That's resistance points, pull it back a little bit. I don't want to actually. Yeah, a little bit beyond the time cycle mark on this. All right, so we're risking 25 pips on this trade, traders. We pull right back into support, which was support. Now it's resistance. We got one line here, then we have another line here, and it pretty much held, and then we finally broke through. So let's see what happens with this trade here. Welcome back, traders. Trading the Great British Pound US dollar. Currently on a short of about 31 pips on the time cycle marker combined with the trend line break. This was support up here, and it's just basic educational training. Pull right back. This supported it 3 times. Pull right back into the support level after the breakdown. And what did the currency pair do? Just pulls right back into the resistance that used to be support, and the time cycle marker printed. Hey, there's a trade right there. Took a little heat, as you could see, but it didn't cross the time cycle marker. We already took out the 20 pip target, and now we got to stop the target 3 stop, which is the trailer, and the other one to break even, so we're in profit on that. We're looking to take out this 40 pip target. Go to where we're at, $204, and we already booked the other lots already. Oops. And this was basically a trend line break combined with the time cycle marker, trend line break, and past support, now future resistance, and just basically UTP on this one, with just a little confirmation of the time cycle marker at 9:55 a.m. in the morning.
Target
There we
filled.
go. 40 pips taken out. We're locked in. Trailer's locked in, and the 3 minis on there left, and we're good to go. All right, so we have no more risk in the trade. The other ones are booked. Welcome back, traders. Trading the Aussie US dollar. All right, here's a trade that I will be looking at tonight, 10:50 p.m. I might be looking to take a short on this trade right here, so I'm going to draw it in really quick. Right now, the current time is 4:27. Market is not open. There's the current line right there. Looks like the Aussie is going to take a little dip here, but I'm not taking that right now. So I'm going to be looking. Is that a broke below the 0 line here? Back up. Yeah, I'm looking for the 1050 move here down. So let me just mark this up really quick, and then I'll show you an example of how I took an Aussie trade and how, oops, wrong way, to be going down. Down move. Down. Down into 12 a.m. the next day. So it's a pretty long trade. This is a nice trend trade there. Okay. 12 a.m. I'm going to be looking for a buy because it's a double dot. So I'm going to look for a reversal on the Australian dollar the next day, which would be Tuesday, which is I like to call it trending Tuesday for the Aussie US dollar, because it loves to do that. So you're going to get some kind of a pullback here. Ooh, nice. Dip back down. So it's going to be some, looks like back and forth movement I could see here. It's going to come up here. It's going to go down again, pull back possibly into a trend if it's going up. That's what I always look for. If it's going up, I'm taking this trade back up if I'm stopped out, or my trailing stops get taken out. But I will have some positions with fixed stops on the MetaTrader 4 platform. Definitely looks like a run up for the Aussie dollar. Tuesday's looking good, really good for the Aussie dollar long, but a short before then, which is going to be Monday at 10:50. I'm going to look for a short trade here. So I got two trades on the Aussie dollar. Then I'll show you an example of how to cut your losses quick. Even though the currency pair goes your way, but that's not the rules that I trade by. Close the position if it doesn't meet my criteria, and to preserve capital. That's the bottom line. All right, even though that particular trade, you'll see it on the video, and I'll still close the trade for a loss because it did not make my rules, and I have to follow the rules. All right, traders, I'll update you with that video. Yeah, you know what, traders? We're going to take a short on this because we'll pull right back into this.
Order filled.
We'll just pull stop this right above here at 18 pips, and leave it there because I know buy signal's coming up. But I pull right back into this resistance. So if it's going to hold, then it's going to hold. It took forever to break out of this. Aussie dollar trade because it's coming into a buy, so I don't want to take an L on that. Well, we'll take a small L. All right, so I'm going to close out, even though it's up against that resistance point, but I'm going to close out. Time cycle marker's about to print in 5 minutes, so we're going to close out. We'll take a 2-pip loss.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
Okay, we'll take a 2-pip loss on that. Yeah, welcome back, traders. Trading at Aussie US dollar. Close my position with a 2-pip loss on this trade, but that's my rules. You know, and you have to stick by your rules. You have a trading plan, and this is part of a plan trading a Flux. If I have a time cycle marker coming in with a histogram, and I'm not in a profitable position, and I could lose, you know what? To cut the losses, you know, quick, as you saw there. 2-pip stop out, even though the currency pair went in the opposite direction, and I would have been in profit. But you have rules, and that's why you have rules in place, so you don't get, you know, hammered. You know, like I said, that's my trading plan. If I'm not in profit, time cycle marker comes in, and there's a potential of this marker going up, I'm closing out, no matter what. You know, that's my rules. Okay, traders. So there's a little insight on, you know, how to keep those stop losses, you know, cut those those losers quick. And you saw it firsthand. You know, I'll take a L, take a loss, versus, you know, this thing rallying up. You know, I know it's stiff resistance up there, came back into this zone and everything, but you know, I trade this rules like I trade my other rules, and when I trade in the system, you have to have a trading plan. And you got support here as well. So that's it. I just wanted to show you. You saw it live, close it right out for a loss. And, you know, you have to do that. You can't sit there like, oh, you know, it's going to come back, or it's going to go up, or it may go, you know, it may, you know, like I said, it did go its way, but rules are in for a reason, to preserve capital. That's the main objective. All right, traders? All right, so I'm out. There's some information and insight on how I, you know, close those trades out quick. All right, I'm out. Welcome back, traders.
Trading the U.S. dollar Canadian. All right, I'm gonna take my positions off here because my auto trader is, really going in. All right, traders. So I'm gonna close out. We do have a sell marker coming up. We're almost at take profit 5. We got a big bearish candle. Let me see. Are we at break even? No, we're not. I'm gonna close some of these positions. All right, because my auto trader, I placed these trades manually, and for some reason my auto trader is, I don't know what it's doing. All right, but you can see we're currently up 72 pips. We took this buy trade here, 8:30. We closed out about 30 some odd pips. Then we took this buy marker. We took an L on this one, 15 pip loss, and then we re-entered after it broke the time cycle marker. And we're taking this thing down. All right, traders. So I'm going to close out. I may get a nasty pullback. All right, traders. And because I got to go to work, and I will not be monitoring this. So I'm going to close this trade out, 73 pips. I'll take it.
Order canceled.
Okay. Yeah, something's wrong with my database because that should have closed out. Well, it did close. I heard it on my trade station, but something is not right. So I don't want to take any chances. Of course, it goes down more. Of course, it goes down more. But there's something wrong with my database on my NinjaTrader platform because these trailing stops should have been closed out. All right, so I'm going to check my platform, see if I can close these out. All right, traders, I'll update you back with these positions. Stay profitable.
Back, traders, trading the U.S. dollar Canadian. I don't need to say anything about this pair because the pair speaks for itself. It has made tons and tons of pips. Hands down, this pair is the best to trade on the Flux. That's why I always save the best for last, the U.S. dollar Canadian. Okay, we got a buy marker coming in here. Market just opened, 5:02 p.m. New York time. Buy coming in at 21:15. So that is 9:15 p.m. Then it's going up till 3:15 a.m. in the morning. So then I'll be looking for a short sell here at 3:15 down into 6:45 and looking for a buy. So I got about 3 or 4 trades just on the dollar Canadian alone. Now the other pairs I only have like one trade that looked good, within the first couple of days of trading. Okay, but the dollar Canadian again, look at this big run up to 3:20 in the morning. I mean, it's just beast mode with this currency pair. So I'll update you with one of the trades. Actually, I took 3 trades early in the week last week. 2 trades won, 1 loss, 15 pip loss, 35 pip, and a 73 pip win. So there's the math right there with the dollar Canadian. Like I said, if you need any information on this system, it works awesome with any other strategy that you're using. Okay? All right, traders, so subscribe to my YouTube channel for more content. Thank you, and have a great trading week. I'm out. Deuces.